In today's video, let's look into the process of overhauling of ADV. The item shown in the video is the reservoir of auto drain valve. This is the valve body. It has one input for pilot pressure and one output. This is the input point, and this is the valve cap, valve body cap. This is the spindle or plunger. Now, first of all, we need to change the o-ring of the spindle. ADV's purpose is to drain the moisture in attempt of CP starting. Now, we need to change the o-ring of the valve body. Moly coat grease is applied while changing the o-rings. After changing o-ring, the valve collar, the valve body collar, moly coat is applied and a gasket is placed as shown in the video. Valve spring is placed into the valve seat and checked for alignment. It should properly align with the valve body. Now comes the process of fitting the valve stem to the valve body. Now the valve stem and the valve body are fitted back into the reservoir and tightened properly to avoid any leakages. After tightening of the valve body, the pressure plate is provided with a generous amount of moly coat grease. After the placement of pressure plate, the diaphragm is also placed. Diaphragm is also applied with moly coat grease, and it should be fit perfectly into the valve body. Now the valve plate is placed on top of the valve body and tightened properly to avoid any leakages. Proper tightness should always be ensured to avoid any leakages during testing or during service. After properly tightening of all the Allen key screws, the ADV is now ready for testing. The ADV is placed in test bench with two air supplies. One bottom side is MR and the top side is control pressure. When the valve is charged with the control pressure and pilot pressure, both are 10 kg, there will be no exhaust. Once the control pressure is dropped, the residual MR is exhausted to the exhaust port. As you can see in the video. Now again pilot pressure is being charged to MR pressure, and again once pilot pressure is being dropped,